This is a pencil sketch of the part. You have to do it anyway if you want to program your part in Centroids Conversational Intercon, or if you want to do it in Fusion to generate your G-code. In real, yes. So now to make this part in Fusion, you have to draw this pencil sketch in a Fusion sketch. After this you can generate your model and start the manufacturing process. For this you have to set up the stock material you want to use and the post-process, work coordinate system, ECT. And then for turning I have chosen the adaptive turning to rough the part out. You have to set up the tools in Fusion. And then you have to can use the same tool for the finish pass. And then for parting, of course, you have to set up the cutoff tool. Maybe you want to do a simulation first. And after this you can post the G-code. For the complete process to set up the part in Fusion to generate the G-code, I need about, for this type of part, 20 to 30 minutes. So you have to set up the tools for your job in Centroid CNC also. But that's pretty easy. This is the turning tool. It's with nose radius 1.5 millimeters and nose vector in this direction 3. And the next tool you are using is the cutoff tool, this one here, nose vector 8. And that's all. You have to measure the tools with the probe, regardless if you're using Intercon or Fusion for your G-code generating. Loading the posted Fusion job. Graph, it's calling 2.2 minutes 19 seconds. And if you start with a sketch, do this in Intercon only. We have to set up the header, the profile, and the roughing tool, cutter compensation, then there's only a first rapid move, linear move, next linear move, this chamfer connect, and so on. Only with cut off 14 lines you have to program. It's a job for 2 to 3 minutes and you're ready to go. The graph is looking this way because the radius compensation is in the machine, so the white line is the outline of the real part, red lines are rapid moves, and yellow lines are the programmed position of the tool. If you have done this post, graph the job. Okay, it's 4 seconds. 4 seconds slower than Fusion, but you need 20-30 minutes for Fusion to generate key code. You need 2 minutes in Intercon. The Intercon is way faster to make a part than Fusion. Now we will look how the parts are turning and compare the advanced adaptive toolpaths from Fusion with the conventional toolpaths from Intercon. Finished parts. Right side is Intercon, left side is Fusion. I think they are absolutely identical, and that's the tool I used.